Okay, so I just came in here for a maintenance visit. They did a cab mod here a little while ago with fixtures in the hall. These are people kicking holes through the door. We have Dupar fixtures. Can test the emergency light from there. I just have it on service here. But they're having a hard time with this contact here on 7. So as you can see, there's a second contact here we can use to keep it going. But when as soon as I opened it and touched it, stuff started falling out, which isn't good, right? So we got to repair that. But of course, you can't, these loops don't allow me to remove this and go down here without needing new wire and stuff. So I got that. Not a bad setup. Pretty clean job. But let me rework some of this wiring and go through and just check it all. And then maybe we'll see if we can get going to the 7th floor without issue. Okay, so as you can see, I've put in a couple new ones. I only had those uninsulated ones. It's not going to be a big issue. They're on there very tight. If they fall off, we will fix them next time, I guess, but they're pretty good. Would have liked a bit bigger here, but beggars can't be choosers. We should be good to go on the bottom contact here, right? I'll mark this or something with a marker just so that we don't, somebody else doesn't come and try to use that if we lose the second one. I'm not a fan, like these things, they're just like pulling it off of here. Like I've busted these before, like in some of the haul stations in this building. They're so hard and like fragile to get apart. I'm not a fan of these buttons, but it's what we have. So that's pretty much it. The light rate's probably not going to last too much longer, but it works. And I don't know, just thought I'd do a quick video of that. Pretty quiet morning here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.